Hi everyone, my name is Geline. We're cooking for today is a chicken hamonado with pineapple. So let's start. So here we're going to marinate first the chicken, and we use a tidbits and also a soy sauce. So we marinate that like 5 hours. And also, so chicken hamonado is a Filipino term which comes from the word ham. It is the dish that meat and thus cooked with the sweet seasoning and spices and I cook delicious. For the cooking tips, making your own chicken hamonado is simple and straightforward. These few tips can help make it easier to cook. Thank you! So hey guys, here we need a chicken, that's a chicken, and also we need a soy sauce for marinated also, and the juice of the tidbits to marinate overnight. So here, combine the pineapple juice from the pineapple tidbits, can add the soys in the bowl, yes, and add the soy sauce in the bowl, and also a mix well and cover, refrigerate overnight. So I refrigerate it like 5 hours. So here in our ingredients, so we need a 3 tablespoon brown sugar and 1 can pineapple tidbits, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, garlic crush and onion chop. We have pepper and salt to taste. So when we done marinated it, arrange in the colander over the large bowl for the kitchen mixture. Let this stay for 10 minutes or until the marinated completely dips of all chicken. Let us marinate it aside. So here, you heat oil in the cooking pot. We need 5 tablespoon cooking oil. When the pan is hot, pan fried chicken for 2 to 3 per side. Using remaining oil, saute onion and garlic for soften. So add chicken piece for marinated. Let boil, cover and cook low heat 30 to 35 minutes. Note: add water as needed. So now add sugar, a brown sugar, and mix it. Next is add the pineapple tidbits, stir, cover, and continue to cook for 10 minutes. So when we done, add salt and pepper to taste for season. So here, transfer us to a serving plate. Serve, share, and enjoy. Here's our chicken hamonado.